Guys, so I just posted a to-do list on your Google Classroom and I will post that every week. But it shows you all the assignments you have due each day and you can check them off as you go. Do not turn this in because you need it for the whole week. So just leave it up there. There's a copy. Each one of you have a copy of it. So everyone is able to work with their own. Do not edit it though. Just check off, hit that little box every time you complete an assignment. So I'm in Google as Goodness. And I'm just going to show you what it should look like. So hopefully I say in as Goodness, we will see. So here we are. I don't know why I went to her Drive, but either way, her Google Classroom. And school shut down. And you can see I just posted about it and talking about how you can click on it from now on. And then right here you have to-do list week of 3:30 to 4:30. So you would click on that and you would click on the work and each of you have a copy of it. So you would then go to it. And again, like I said, you each have a copy, so do not edit anything on the page. But you can see like this is for Monday and you can easily clearly see that for Monday, you have these things due. And as you complete them, these are all the must do's, right? You would just check it off, right? And you should have all of these done by the end of the day. And then these are optional sites you can go to and you'll click on the link and it'll bring you to those sites. And then every day of the week, there is new ones. So as you see down here, it says Monday, it says Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is Mondays. And then for tomorrow, you would come back into this form and you would click Tuesday and then it has new things. So you see it has different days, different assignments. Science starts tomorrow and then new links. So tomorrow I'm having a YouTube Live at 2 and that's new under the optional, right? But it tells you exactly when it's happening and which days. So Tuesday at 2 I'm having a YouTube Live. And then you would go down to Wednesday and new assignments, new options. Then Thursday, when Thursday happens, new assignments, checking them off as you go. And then new options. And you can see here I have another YouTube Live at 2 on Thursday that you can join in on. And then last day, Friday, new assignments, new options. And this is when our Google Meet is happening at 11. And this is linked with the link to already join the Google Meet. So when that occurs, you're just going to click this link on Friday and we'll all be able to do our Google Meet. So really being able to access this and use it is really important for each day of the week. So make sure you're opening it. Don't submit it until the end of the week and you're checking off as you do your items so that you can keep track of what's due. You don't have to rely on your parents and you're really able to see all the assignments per day and what needs to be done. For this week, everything is in Google Classroom, so you don't have to worry about like getting onto another site. But you do need to make sure you're getting onto Google Classroom and doing all of these assignments and checking them off as you go. Because that's very important. This is very helpful for you to see the assignments. Also, when you're in Google Classroom, on the main screen for hours, I just want to show you, if you go to classwork, then I've organized it very much for you guys where you can literally see where everything is located. So this is extra materials where all our stuff is at. And then as you scroll down, this is just the stuff for our vocabulary this week and what is already open for you guys to do. So this was today's things. And then you could see math. All right, this is what I need to do today for math. And then literacy. This is what's open for today for literacy. And then as the days go on, all the assignments are going to continue to pop up under these topics. So instead of worrying about the stream, it could be super helpful to go under classwork and to really see all the topics and all the things under each topic. So please make sure you're looking at that and using those resources as well. And please make sure you're starting to try to use the to-do list so that you can check off and really see what's due each week. If there are any questions, of course, reach out. Bye, guys.